1-2. Popped up. Long run for Wise.
Oh, my.
And he makes the play. Yes, he did. He's got the ball and a little bit of a smile on his face and an escort out of the stands. Wise goes in the stands and holds on and then tumbles into the seats.
I don't know, this is, you see that ball? No,
Whoa.
He didn't catch him. I was going to say, I don't think he caught that ball because it hit the heel of his glove.
Wow.
But he came out with it.
Somebody put that ball in his glove.
He stole one of those little kids in the front row.
That is unbelievable. Phil Hughes, it's an out to him.
This is a group effort out of here. You see an unbelievable effort. But I knew when I saw that ball go off the heel that it's very tough to keep it in there. I think that little guy right there just stuck his autographed baseball from earlier in his glove.
I think it was the guy in the Toronto hat or the guy in the Yankee pullover. You take a look. Now watch this guy on the left of your screen in the red shirt. That's where the ball ends up. He can pick up the ball. He's going to hold it. Now the guy next to him looks at him and goes, oh, you have it. And Dwayne Wise doesn't have the ball. The ump is saying out, and Dwayne Wise doesn't have the ball. So Mike DeMuro, the third base umpire, said out and never saw any evidence.